All right, let's jump right in. If you're a professional trying to figure out this whole AI landscape, you are in exactly the right place. Think of this as your personal coaching session. We're going to cut through all the noise and build a really practical playbook to make AI actually work for you and your team, not the other way around.
You know, every professional hits a point where they realize this. It's not that the old way was bad, it's just that the world has changed. And right now, AI is that change. It's one of those moments that just demands a new approach, a new strategy, and a whole new way of thinking about where our expertise fits in.
So, here's our game plan. We'll kick off with the AI shift. Then we'll build your strategic playbook, breaking down its 3 core pillars. After that, we'll walk through launching your very first AI pilot, talk about how to navigate those common pitfalls, and then finally, map out your path to mastery. Let's do this?
Okay, first things first. Let's get one thing crystal clear. This is not about replacing you or your expertise. In fact, it's the opposite. Your judgment, your domain knowledge, your unique insights, all that stuff is more valuable than ever. The real shift is in how you use that expertise. AI's true power? It's in reinforcing and amplifying what you already do best.
And this brings up a point that honestly gets lost in all the technical jargon. Successful AI isn't about having the fanciest algorithm. It's about the people. It's about understanding the real-world workflow. You know, where does this tool actually fit into someone's day? What decisions is it helping them make? And maybe most importantly, how do you build trust with the stakeholders who might be a little skeptical? These are the human questions that lead to real success.
So to navigate this new territory, you're going to need a playbook. We're going to build something called an AI Impact Assessment Framework. Now, don't let the name scare you. It's just a simple, structured way to think, plan, and act so that every AI project you start is focused, deliberate, and actually valuable.
Let's make this real. Picture your workday before a framework like this. You're probably bogged down in manual tasks, you're second-guessing decisions, you're fighting with tools that don't quite work. Now, picture the after. The boring, repetitive stuff, automated. Your big decisions are backed by data, not just a gut feeling. And you're finally free to focus your brain power where it really matters, on those critical judgment calls that only a human can make. That's the difference we're aiming for.
So how do we actually build this playbook? Well, it all rests on 3 fundamental pillars. If you get these right, you're building on solid ground. These are really the core concepts that are going to guide every single decision you make from here on out.
First up, strategy and planning. This is the prep work. This is the homework. Before you even think about technology, you have to know exactly what problem you're trying to solve. This means taking an honest look at where you are now, identifying the real friction points, and then building a step-by-step roadmap that lines up directly with your biggest goals. The next pillar builds right on top of that. Implementation and execution. This is where the rubber meets the road. It's all about taking that brilliant plan you have on paper and making it a reality. And that takes discipline, it takes coordination, and a serious focus on quality as you pick your tools, build your team, and manage your resources.
And the third pillar, which is absolutely crucial, is measurement and optimization. How do you know if you're winning if you're not keeping score? You have to measure. This means setting clear, key performance indicators, or KPIs, right from day one. For example, a weak KPI is increase efficiency. A strong KPI is reduce the time it takes to finish our weekly sales report by 25% in the next 90 days. See the difference? You track your progress, you use that data to get better, and you create reports that build confidence and keep the momentum going. All right, we've covered the theory. Now for the fun part, putting this playbook into action. We are going to walk through, step by step, how you can launch your very first, focused, high-impact AI pilot program. This is how you get your first win on the board.
This 5-step process is your roadmap. Step 1, define your scope. Be incredibly specific about what success actually looks like. Step 2, audit the current process. Map it out, find the real pain points. Step 3, start with one focused pilot. Don't try to boil the ocean. Pick one high-impact area and test your idea. Step 4, measure and compare. Let the data tell you the story. And finally, step 5, iterate and scale. Use what you learn to make it better, and then expand.
You know, every great game plan involves anticipating the other team's moves. In our world, that means getting ready for the common challenges and pitfalls that can derail even the best AI projects. Just knowing what they are is half the battle.
So here's a big one. You will almost certainly face this. You've got a great idea, You've done the prep work, but you're just hitting a wall of skepticism. People are comfortable with the old way, right? Change can feel threatening. So what do you do when you face that resistance?
The key is to be proactive. First, you've got to educate your stakeholders. Explain the why behind what you're doing. Second, show them the clear benefits with hard data from your pilot. Let the results speak for themselves. And third, and this is a great tactic, bring the biggest skeptics into the process. Give them a role. When people feel like they're part of building the solution, that resistance turns into ownership real fast.
Now for another classic challenge. You don't have enough budget, enough staff, or enough time. It's a reality for pretty much all of us. So how do you make progress when you're being asked to do more with less?
The answer here is focus. Simple as that. First, work with what you have. Don't wait for the perfect conditions, just start small. Second, you have to prioritize ruthlessly. Go after the projects that give you the most bang for your buck. And third, once your pilot starts showing good results, use that data to build a killer case for more resources. Success breeds success. We've covered a lot of ground today. As we wrap up this coaching session, let's just boil everything down to the key lessons from our playbook. These are the core principles that are going to guide you on your path to really mastering this stuff. If you remember nothing else from today, remember these 3 things. First, success demands a clear strategy and getting your key stakeholders on board from the very beginning. Second, success has to be measurable. Define your metrics early and track them like a hawk. And third, you have to be willing to adapt. Learn from your pilots, listen to the feedback, and constantly tweak your approach over time. So that's your playbook. The theory is done. Now the only thing left is action. I'll leave you with this question to think about. Looking at your own work, your own challenges, your own opportunities, what's the one small focused process you will choose to pilot this week? Go on, write it down, and start your journey.